This is Dr. V Pavan Kumari from Maths Department, MREC. Today I am explaining random variables. Random variables is a variable and is random variables assigning to the number to outcome of each experiment is known as random variable. Random variable is denoted by capital X. There are two types of random variables. One is discrete random variable and second one is continuous random variable. Discrete random variable is a finite number, that is a countable number. It is denoted by P of X. Example of discrete random variable is total number of the class students and total family in the children's. Now, total number of the items is known as discrete random variable examples. And discrete random variable is denoted by P of X. And continuous random variable is a infinite number of variables, that is uncountable number. Continuous is always follow the within the range. Room temp, for example of the continuous random variable, room temperature, number of accidents per day, number of faulty items in a factory. Those are examples of the continuous random variable. Continuous random variable is denoted by f of x. And discrete random variable to find the mean, variance, and standard deviation. Discrete random variable mean is p of x is equal to summation x into p of x. And continuous random variable is denoted by f of x, and the mean formula is continuous. Mean f of x is equal to integration minus infinity to infinity x into f of x dx. Discrete random variable follows mean, variance, and standard deviation, and continuous find out the mean, variance, and standard deviation. But discrete follow the finite values and continuous follow the infinite values. And discrete follow the distributions, follow the Bernoulli distribution, binomial distribution, Poisson distribution. And continuous follow the distributions, normal distribution, exponential distribution, beta and gamma distributions, and also etc. distributions. Bernoulli distribution is denoted by P of x, and it is follow the only discrete distribution. It is denoted by P of x. Bernoulli distribution using only one trial and two outcomes. Only one trial and two outcomes. That outcomes is follow the 0, 1. Bernoulli distribution mean is equal to P and variance is equal to PQ. Binomial distribution. The binomial distribution follow the probability mass function, that is a discrete distribution. Probability mass function is denoted by P of x. Bernoulli distribution, the probability mass function of the binomial distribution is P of x is equal to NCX p power x q power n minus x. Here n is a number of trials. N and p are the two parameters of the binomial distribution. Here q is equal to P plus Q is equal to 1, therefore Q is equal to 1 minus P. Binomial distribution mean mu is equal to NP and variance sigma square is equal to NPQ, and standard deviation sigma is equal to square root of the NPQ. And Poisson distribution. Poisson distribution is also follow the discrete distribution, and it is denoted by the symbol P of x. The probability mass function of Poisson distribution is given by P of x is equal to e power minus lambda, lambda power x by x factorial. Here lambda is a parameter and x is equal to follow the 0, 1, 2 and so on infinity values. Poisson distribution follow the one parameter, that parameter is known as lambda. Here binomial distribution follow the n number of trials, and Poisson distribution follow the 0 to infinity number of trials. In discrete distributions, the Poisson distribution mean mu is equal to lambda, and variance of the Poisson distribution sigma square is equal to lambda. Here mean and variance equal follows only Poisson distribution. Mean value is equal to lambda and a variance value is also lambda. So mean is equal to variance follow in Poisson distribution. And the next continuous distributions follow the normal distribution. Normal distribution is follow the probability density function, that is continuous function. Probability density function is given by f of x. The probability density function of the normal distribution is given by f of x is equal to e power minus 1 by 2 x minus mu by sigma whole square. Here mu and sigma are the two parameters. Here mu and sigma are the two parameters. Here mu is equal to mean is equal to mu and variance is equal to sigma square. Standard deviation is equal to sigma. Mean is equal to mu follow normal distribution. Variance is equal to sigma square is also follow the normal distribution. Here normal distribution mean and variance. Binomial, Poisson, Bernoulli follow the discrete distributions and normal distribution follow the continuous distributions. Binomial, Bernoulli is only one number of trials and binomial distribution follow the n number of the trials. Bernoulli is follow the one number of trials and two outcomes, 0 and 1. But binomial distribution follow the n number of trials, that is x is equal to follow the n number of trials and two parameters, n and p. Normal distribution is always follow the continuous probability distribution, that is denoted by always f of x. Random variables is follow the discrete and continuous and also follow the distribution. The distributions also follow the two types, discrete and continuous. Random variables are using the live applications of number of accidents per day or per week or per 1 month. Random variables using